Former US President Donald Trump is calling for the affidavit justifying the raid of his Mar-a-Lago home to be made public. But DOJ prosecutors say the document must remain sealed as it contains highly sensitive information with the potential to impact national security. A federal judge will hold a hearing later on this week, allowing the lawyers to develop a proper rationale in defence of the argument, as reports indicate the Attorney General responsible for the approval of the raid spent weeks deliberating over the decision.
The Justice Department is rejecting efforts to release the affidavit justifying the search of former President Trump's Mar-a-Lago home, urging a judge to keep the documents sealed. The DOJ citing reasons that include protecting the integrity of an ongoing law enforcement investigation that implicates national security, arguing that releasing the document would cause irreparable damage to the criminal investigation. Still, the calls for more transparency haven't stopped.
There's really demands here for a greater degree of responsiveness. You can release parts of this affidavit. It has happened before. But more importantly, you can respond to these concerns. You can answer the questions.
One question that was answered. The FBI says it has returned 3 passports to the former president, 2 of which were expired, that were swept up in the search. Some Republicans are accusing the Justice Department of overreach.
Merrick Garland can't have it both ways. He can't give us the inventory, the warrant, without telling us why it was necessary to raid the former president's home, and there was no less intrusive method available.
The pressure for more answers comes as the Wall Street Journal reports that Attorney General Merrick Garland deliberated for weeks over whether to approve the application for the search warrant.
I think, one of his considerations had to have been how it was going to play in, with the American people.
A hearing on whether to release the affidavit has been scheduled for Thursday in Florida.